Okay, hi there. So this video is about printing a PDF file from Dropbox. Okay, I'm James Archer, founder of the virtual launch team and a couple of other projects. And one of the things we do is we help customers, clients do their online launch or their technology. So we have a customer that has a lot of users who want to download a PDF file right now. And so what I want to do is just share my screen and tell you what's going on when you try and print a PDF file and it's not working out the way you expected to. You're not getting the whole document. So I have some good examples here. So let's share screen number 3. And this is Samara Beach in Costa Rica, and I'm not going to be going there anytime soon. So here's what's going on. If we take a file like this happens to be a customer, Bible Roads. I hope that you will visit BibleRoads.com. So the founder of Bible Roads, Madeline Maupin, creates these amazing workbooks, PDF files that have lots and lots of pages to them, and beautiful, beautiful images and pictures and descriptions about the Bible. And so this file, if we look at this file on Dropbox, this is a Dropbox folder. And if we look at this particular file, you'll see that it's 4 megabytes, all right? And so some browsers will handle, some email programs will handle that, a lot of them won't. And because this file is large, see some of these files are close to 7 megabytes of hers. Because these are large, we don't generally email the actual file to people. What we do is in Dropbox, in her Dropbox, we will take this and we'll get the Dropbox link for this file. And then when we are composing an email message, all right, this is where I'm creating a brand new email message, we will send somebody this Dropbox link. And so you may have received an email with a link that looks like this. Now, even if you see something like click here to download, and all you see is this little here button is highlighted. What that means is that we have taken that and we have made that word here be a hyperlink to this big, long Dropbox link. So even if you click here, you're still getting this big link. And so what happens? Well, what happens is you end up opening this, watch. Okay, it's going to go to Dropbox and it's going to open up this this PDF file inside Dropbox. And this is why you're here, okay? All right, so what you'll see is that this particular PDF has a beautiful cover image and then a Bible study, Mark's Gospel. And so what's happening is we're getting emails. I'm getting emails from a lot of Madeline users saying, when I go to print this, I just get this big black picture and nothing else. Well, here's what's happening. You're looking at this PDF file inside a web browser. This happens to be Chrome, a Chrome web browser. But the same thing would happen if we were opening this file in Bing or something else, because what we're really doing is we're looking at the web version of Dropbox. And so what a lot of people do is they come up here and they go, I would like to print this PDF file. Well, if you do this, what you're really printing is not the PDF file, you're printing the web page that this PDF file is being displayed on, right? So see what I've got here? It's one page. Now, in Chrome, I happen to be using the Chrome browser, so let's look at that for a minute. You have two important options if you want to print this long PDF file. You see that when I have my mouse focused on the middle, there's an option down here. This is 55 pages long, this workbook, all right? But here is a print option, all right? This print option up here is to print this web page, but this print option down here is to print the actual PDF file. See the difference? So this is one thing you need to know if you want to print the PDF, is that you would be printing using the controls inside Dropbox. Now, if on your browser you do not see these controls at the bottom where you can zoom in and zoom out and go to different pages, and you don't have a print button, there's another option which is actually better for you, all right? And that is to download this file to your computer. So let me show you how to do that. In the Dropbox window, you'll see that you can see who's sharing it. You can share it with other people. There's other people looking at this, this particular PDF right now. We can open it. And one of the things you can do, it's not obvious, but see this little ellipse right here? One of your options is to download this PDF file. So if I click on download, it's going to ask me where I want to put it, and I'm going to put it right on my desktop, the workbook. It happens to already be there, but let's just download it again. All right, so it's downloading, and now let's get this out of the way. And what you can see is that I have a link to this PDF file. Now, yours might look a little bit different because right now I open PDF files with Chrome, so it has a Chrome icon here. So it might have an Adobe icon or whatever, but what you're going to see is that this is a PDF file. Now, here's the key. I can open that PDF if I right-click on my mouse and click on this. Well, first of all, I can just double-click on this, and what it's going to do is it's going to open this PDF file with whatever my default program is to open a PDF file. Mine happens to be Chrome, okay? But I want to show you that if I right-click on this file, you have an open with option. Now I'm on Windows, but on a Mac, you're going to have something similar. Open with Safari, open with Chrome, open with Adobe Reader, something like that. Now on my computer, I can open this PDF file with, I have 3 different options: Photo Viewer, Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge. I've already showed you Chrome, so let's look at Microsoft Edge. All right, when I click that, the PDF file is now open in my browser. I'm not looking at a web page. I'm using my browser to view a PDF file. And that's a big distinction, because now if I come here, I can use the print option that's inside Chrome or Internet Explorer or Bing or Safari. I can use that web browser's print option to go ahead and print this PDF file. Okay, so that's the major difference. That's the problem that people are finding, is that when they click on the link, here we go, when you click on this big link right here, where you're going to is inside Dropbox, not opening up the actual PDF file. So you have a choice that you can print from within your browser, if you're in Chrome, for example, or the better option is to go ahead and download that PDF file. Let me unshare my screen. There we go. Okay, so your better option is to actually download the PDF file, because then you'll have it available whenever you want it. And then once it's on your computer, you have multiple ways that you can open that PDF file, and then you're going to be able to print it, and you're going to be printing the PDF file, not printing the web page, the Dropbox web page that the PDF file is on. Okay, so again, I am James from virtual launch team. And if you have any tech problems, give us a call. We help people launch online and all sorts of things. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you get some value out of it. Take care.